Hello parents, this is a quick little video on how to get into athletic.net to see if you qualify for district or not. You want to go in to www.athletic.net, and from here it's a little cumbersome, but you need to click on track and field, middle school, Washington, scrolling all the way down here to Greater St. Helens League. You want to click on the title of that. You'll see all of our teams listed there. Then you'll get to this particular page. Nothing can happen until you click on all right there, and that will indicate in blue, and then you'll get to our league. And you notice that these are all the scores of all of the meets of all the schools up until up to the end. So a couple things you can do here. One is filter by grade. You can pick 6th, 7th, and 8th, whichever one you are needing to look at. Let's pick 7th grade. That's what I teach, so that's what we'll go with. And then you want to hit apply filter. And from here, you notice you have men's and women's on both sides. So if you want to check the women's, you simply click the women's tab. But we have all the 7th graders listed throughout our league and where they were scored and how they're doing. But that only gives us a few. You want to click on view full rankings, which is right here. And then again, it kind of goes blank. You notice that there are no results matching your criteria. So then again, you got to come up and click the all. And there you go. Go back to filter by grade. We'll go back to 7th grade. So we're on 7th grade men. And there is our list of all of the qualifiers. Now, from here to see if you qualified, we take the top 9 kids for any running event. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down to here. They're in for sure at the end. Then we'll take 2 more alternates. So in this case, Mark and David will be alternates that would also be listed. They come to practice and do all the stuff to be part of it. So if you're in the top 9 after our Liberty meet at the very end, and the next 2 for all running events, hurdles, 100, 200, 400, 800, and the mile. So that's the running events. So let's take a look at the field events. We're going to go back to the event where it says event 100 meters. I'm going to click on, let's take the long jump. And the same things apply here. You can go by a grade level. You can to take a look at it, and then you can go, and we've already been already selected to show all results, so this will show all the results. So in the long jump, the discus, and the shot put, the top 18 plus 2 alternates go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down to 18, whoever that may be, will be the top kids that get to go, and then the next 2. So you simply have to count down to see if you're in. If you're in, you get to come to practice. If you do 2 alternates, then again, you also get to come to practice. So we got 1 more to go. The high jump only brings in 12, so the top 12. So let's take a look at high jump. High jump can be a little funny. So we're in the high jump girls right now. No, we're in the high jump boys. So the top 12 go. So 1, look at Kyan. There you go, kiddo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Shallon George. She jumped a 4.8. Notice this. And so did Grant, so did Braxton, so did Nathan, so did Cannon. So what we would do in this case is probably, no guarantees, but this is the way it was when we seed these kids. We would take all those kids and give them a shot at it, since they did all tie for the 12th place in this event. If in some wild cases, like let's take a look at the girls and see if it happened here. If we go down to the 12th place, wow, look at that. We have many tied at 4-2. So what we might end up doing there is back that off to only 11 at a 4-4. But again, we have 1 more meet to go to see where this all comes down. So no worries yet on that. But that would help explain why, if this was the end and what we were qualifying, we would probably not take all those 4-2s. We would stop at 4-4. It just takes forever to do all that. And how do you break the tie of all those kiddos at 4-2? So that's the high jump. So again, in review real quick, you can filter by grade. You can filter by the events. Here they have all those events that we don't do, but ours are up at the top. And you can go men's and women's. And again, if you're in a laned event, which would be the hurdles, the 1, the 2, the 4, the 8, and the 16, the top 9 go in the league with the next 2 alternates, shot, discus, and long jump. The top 18 go with the next 2, and then the high jump, the top 12. So that's how you find out if you've qualified. You want to check this Wednesday. We will not have practice on Wednesday after the Liberty meet, so the coaches can put this all together, and it'll be. But you can check it and make sure. We should have the coaches will have the events in by Tuesday. It won't be Tuesday night. It'll be Wednesday. We'll have the Liberty meet in by Wednesday after school probably, and you can check. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a quick email. Thank you very much.